Good afternoon, everyone.
Especially to Sir Raul Acapulco.
Welcome sa ating very educational video.
Kung saan gagawa tayo ng internet cable.
At meron tayong two types of Ethernet cable. Una, ang straight through at pangalawa, ang crossover.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
So what's up guys? So I will be now teaching you how to make the Ethernet cable. First, you will be using the mini wire stripper to carefully remove 1 inch of the outer jacket from the both ends. So now, you will see 4 twisted pairs of wires. You will now untangle them gently and straighten them up. So remember guys that be careful to not damage the inner wires, okay? Because if you damage, they can be not usable. Do you get it? So now, you will arrange it using the standard T568B. So the color will be strip orange, strip green, blue, strip blue, green, strip brown, and lastly, brown. So, you will be seeing that they are carefully straightening it up. So you can see, my friend there is kinda struggling. He's struggling to untangle them. So after arranging it, you will be cutting the wires in the same length. It is suggested that you will cut it ½ inch from the jacket. Order must be important, remember? So now, he is cutting the plastic that separates the wires. So after cutting it, remember that arrangement, okay? Then after cutting it, carefully insert the wires into the RM45 connector. Push till the end. Also, jacket must go a little inside connector to give it support. So you can see, it is perfectly fitted in the RM45. Next step is you will be using the crimping tool. You will be putting the connector inside, press it firmly. Yeah. So now, on the other side of the cable, you will do the same exact thing.
Ang straight-through cable ay ginagamit for PC to switch, PC to router, or switch to router. Ang straight-through cable ay ginagamit for normal, everyday connections. It is stable and reliable para madali ka lang mag-connect from device to the network.
So finally, you will use the tester to test the cable. If all the lines are good, then the cable are ready to use. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. The cable is ready to use now. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi port of the Ethernet cable.
What is the color order of the straight-through Ethernet cable? You are absolutely right. It starts from white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and ends with brown. Very good.
Hello my friends, so now we will be talking about the crossover cable. As you can see, the procedure is mostly same like the straight-through cable. The only difference on them is the wiring order. Why? Because the straight-through cable wiring order is the same in the both ends, while the crossover cable the wiring order is not the same on both sides. So, in crossover cable, one end will be stripe orange, stripe green, blue, stripe blue, green, stripe brown, and brown. And on the other end, stripe green, stripe orange, blue, stripe blue, orange, stripe brown, and brown.
On the other hand, ang crossover cable connection naman ay used for PC to PC, switch to switch, or router to router. Ginagamit siya kapag direct kang nagko-connect ng dalawang devices nang walang switch or router. It is perfect for quick file transfers o pag nag-setup ka ng emergency network. Bakit nga ba magkaiba ang wire order sa crossover connection? Because crossover swaps the sending and receiving pairs para magkaintindihan ang dalawang devices directly.
So after arranging the wires in correct order, we will trim it and then insert the RJ45 connector and then crimp it. Same for the other end. Very simple, right? So after that, you will be using the cable tester to check if lights show properly. Crossover cable is ready to use.